Okay, so let's talk about this product called Cherry Glam. You may have seen it online, promising to help women, especially over 40, get fuller, firmer, lifted breasts naturally. With just a patch. Sounds interesting, right? But when we looked deeper, things started feeling a little off. They proudly say they've been seen in big fashion magazines, Vogue, Marie Claire, Elle, Allure. But guess what? No links, no screenshots, no proof anywhere. And honestly, if a brand really got featured in those magazines, they would definitely show it off. No evidence is a big red flag. Claim 2, #1 trending product of the year. Sounds impressive, right? But who gave them this title? Where's the source? Where's the ranking list? Nothing. Not a single detail. Just a flashy claim with zero backup. Real brands show receipts. This one doesn't. Then there's the whole frantic marketing style. 70% off today. 3 free gifts. Sellout risk high. Feels like they're trying to rush you into buying before you can think. Good products don't need pressure tactics. Results speak for themselves. They say their patches can firm the breasts, restore fullness, lift the chest naturally, boost collagen, improve elasticity, and all without surgery or hormones? Listen, a topical patch isn't going to remodel breast tissue. If it were that simple, the cosmetic surgery industry would be in panic mode. Plus, they quietly add the classic line, "These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA." That basically means there's no solid scientific proof. Their website shows glowing, perfect reviews, like suspiciously perfect. So we checked outside platforms. No Trustpilot reviews, no Reddit discussions, no beauty community talk, nothing. A completely silent internet is not a good sign. Real products always have real chatter. So putting everything together, big claims with no proof, no real reviews, heavy sales pressure, science that doesn't add up, zero credible backing. Cherry Glam just doesn't inspire trust right now. Until real evidence or verified reviews appear, it's safer to stay cautious and keep your money in your pocket. There are better, proven ways to care for your body without falling for hype. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoy honest breakdowns and helpful reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.